Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and print a professional looking poster for your event, service, or product using a free template from Canva. It's super simple, beginner friendly, and by the end of this video, you'll have a print ready poster you can use to promote anything. Let's jump in. First, go to www.canva.com. If you haven't already, create a free account or log in. Now, in the search bar at the top, type poster and hit enter. You'll see tons of customizable poster templates. Some are for products, others are for events like concerts, business openings, sales, and more. Pick one that fits your purpose. You can go with a ready template or start from scratch. I'm going to choose this one because it has a clean layout and works well for a car repair service, as I needed for my client. Let's go to ChatGPT and generate the content for our poster. I want to create a car repair service promotional poster. So in ChatGPT, give all the details about your company, contact info, and other necessary information. I give a simple prompt. I want to create a car repair service poster for South Texas Car Repair Company. Write all the necessary details to create a poster. ChatGPT immediately wrote us a beautiful content. Now, we will copy the entire text from here and put it in a Google Doc. Then from there, we will copy and paste the text of our design as needed. You can also write content through ChatGPT for your product, business or service, and use it in brochures or any other design. This will save your time and effort, and your work will get an administrative look. Now let's customize it. You can click on any text box to edit the title, date, time, location, or product details. You can also change color, font style, any shape, or anything. Want to change the colors? Just click on the elements and use the color picker. You can also change fonts by clicking the text and selecting a new font from the top menu. Next, let's change the image. Click on the image area, then select Replace, or go to Uploads tab to upload your own product or event photo. Drag it in and adjust the size. You can change the opacity of the image. Canva's default poster size is usually 18-24 inches, which works great for printing, but if you need a specific size like a 3 or 11-17 inches, you can click on Resize at the top. Note that this feature is for Canva Pro users. When you're done, click the Share button in the top right corner and then select Download. For printing, choose PDF print as the file type. Make sure to check the box for crop marks and bleed if you're printing at a professional shop. This ensures your poster is trimmed correctly. Now you're ready to print. You can either print it at home using high-quality paper or send the file to a local or online print shop for best results. And just like that, you've got a stunning, customized poster ready to go. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to make your poster stand out even more. Tip number 1. Use high contrast colors. Make sure your text stands out against the background. High contrast like white text on a dark image is easier to read, especially from a distance. Tip number 2. Keep it simple. Avoid clutter. Highlight only the most important information like the event name, date, time, and location, or your product name and offer. Tip number 3. Use high-resolution images. Blurry images can ruin a great design. Use high-quality photos for a crisp and professional look when printed. Tip number 4. Add a QR code optional. If you want to link people to a website, social media, or registration form, add a QR code to your poster. You can create one for free and upload it to Canva. Tip number 5. Always preview before downloading. Zoom in and preview your poster in Canva's full screen mode to double-check spacing, typos, and alignment before you hit that download button. Follow these tips and your poster will not only look great on screen, it'll turn heads in real life too. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions or need help with something specific in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.